Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files. Save the Excel workbook in a stable folder, then open your PowerPoint. Select the exact cells or named range you need. That precision prevents unwanted data. Once selected, use Copy in Excel. Now switch to PowerPoint, click the slide where the table should appear, and choose Paste Special. This is where you set up a live connection. Make sure you select Paste Link rather than a normal paste so changes in Excel will reflect in PowerPoint. Once you paste the linked Excel object, you'll configure how it behaves. Right-click the object and select Linked Worksheet Object, then choose Links or Edit Links to view source details. This is where you decide automatic versus manual updates. If you need only a snapshot, embedding is different. Don't use it for live data. Resize or crop the object to fit the slide, and use format options to hide grid lines or headers. Make sure to test and edit in Excel to verify the link updates as expected. To finish, save and close Excel, then save your PowerPoint. Relative paths help keep the connection stable. Reopen PowerPoint and use Edit Links to confirm the correct source file and Update option. Change source if the workbook moved. Test by changing a cell in Excel and updating links in PowerPoint. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Relink using a named range or correct file path. Broken links usually mean the workbook moved or the sheet name changed, so restore the original path or relink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.